What's up, y'all? It's Kyle Pegg with the Buffalo Bills. Sorry it's a little dark. I'm in the sauna right now, getting the body right. But I wanted to shout out Thynergy. It's a weight loss supplement for men and women. Stay in shape and the importance to good fitness. I definitely think that it's key for me as an athlete that we stay in shape, eat right, condition the body, and it prevents injury. And definitely encourage everyone to stay on top of their health, on top of their fitness game. Much love and peace.
From athletes to supermodels, everybody's talking about Thynergy. Diet, exercise, and Thynergy are your keys to losing weight. It's available only on Amazon. Check it out today.
Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.